Hello, and welcome back to
Danger DIY.
Today I'm going to be working on my Pit Boss barbecue. The end of the auger that moves the pellets has torn out completely, and so I've ordered this new piece and I'm just going to be installing it. And I've already done a little bit of the disassembly, but nothing that is going to be too difficult to explain. So I'm going to walk through that on the video and then go ahead and from there go directly to installing this new piece. Well, so here's the Pit Boss that we're going to be doing the work on today. So I just re-put back in this screw and then one on the other side to hold this in spot. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those and take those back off. There's a little set screw that's just on the other side of here. It's going to come right out. And that's going to allow you to pull the auger out all the way. Let's take a look at the damage that was here. So the bushing is still going to be good to go. But you can see here the damage that was on this. So here we have our new one. You can kind of see the difference here. The old one. You take the bushing, put it right on like that. Insert that right in. And we're going to line up the little hole for the set screw to go back in for holding the bushing in place. Screw. Move that right in. So this is the bushing. This is the piece we just took it out, and there's the screw holding the bushing, and that actually holds the auger in place. And then the motor is just right down here, and we're just going to take that and we're going to place it in the shaft, run this screw through here, and get that tightened up as well. So let's go ahead and get that done. So what we're going to do with the motor is just get the shaft to line up, and you can manually turn this to do that, and that's all lined up already, so we're good to go. And I'm just going to insert the screw and then put on the nut, and that's how we're going to do that. I only have one hand, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video while I do that, and then I'll show you the completed part of it. So when you plug it in, it should start running, and you can see here that it is. And it should go ahead and run the auger and be able to rotate it around, which it is doing. And I noticed as this thing kind of moves funny. I don't know if there was some type of bracing or design that they didn't do for it, but it just kind of floats freely, which was always kind of odd to me. But it seems to work, and so I'm going to go ahead and put it back together, and we'll go ahead and get it up running again. So we've got the new auger installed, and that appears to be working great. So go ahead and just try a little power on test here. Just go ahead and give it a power on, and everything appears to be good. So I'm going to add back in the pellets, and we'll give this a smoke test. Well, now we'll fix our repair of the Pit Boss barbecue. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about this unit, I'm pretty familiar with how to fix it. Pretty much anything that goes wrong on it, just post down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer you. But looks like it's time to start getting smoking again.
Danger DIY. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.